Hi, my loves. Welcome to another episode of Kitchen Culinary Experience. I want to learn how to make this beautiful looking Nigerian jollof rice. Kindly watch till the end. Let's go. Put the beef or any proteins that you want to use in a clean pot. Add some seasonings. The way these seasoning cubes are dealing with me in this Hamatan season is not funny. They are like rocks, like crushing them. It's actually becoming difficult this Hamatan season. You can add any spices of your choice. I used two cross curry. It's one of my favorite curry. The aroma it gives to your proteins, inexplainable. So add some onions. I used red shallot and some dried onions. You know those tiny ones that they tie in cellophane. I just bought them from the market. After doing that, boil it for some few minutes, like 2 minutes before adding water. In a frying pan, add some vegetable oil and heat it up until you are ready to fry. I like using onions to test the hotness of the vegetable oil before adding my proteins. I'm actually using beef for this jollof rice recipe and I will fry until it is dry. You can fry according to your preference. I like my proteins to be dry, especially when I'm using it to bake rice recipe. So I'm going to fry this for some few minutes until it is looking very dry. Then I will remove it from the heat. Remove the beef from the heat and add some sliced onions. After sauteing for some few minutes, add the tomato paste. Kindly ensure you fry the tomato paste until it is almost very dry. It is the key to ensuring your jollof rice comes out better, tastes better. As soon as the oil starts floating on top of the tomato paste, you know it's ready. Then you pour in the blended pepper, tomato, and onions. Follow the same process you did when you were frying the tomato paste. As soon as the oil starts floating on top, stir and taste, taste. It's very important you taste at this point. So in case you taste and it's still slapping, like you still experience this harshness, pour in some water and fry some more. But as soon as you taste it and it's cool, then you know you're ready to go. So after frying, you might want to scoop out some of the tomato sauce for the jollof rice, which I did, and I poured in the dried beef. Fry a little bit, sprinkle some carrots or spring onions just to give it a little bit of color before setting aside. Add some water in a pot and boil. Time to parboil the rice. I'm parboiling this rice for just some few minutes. I used Basmati rice for this recipe. You can use any long green rice of your choice. After parboiling for about 2 minutes, I rinsed and set aside. Time to make the jollof rice proper. In a dry pot, pour in the tomato sauce. Add some water or your stock from the protein. Add some more water. You have to do this according to the portions of rice that you parboiled earlier. You do not want to add too much water. It's better for you not to add too much water and keep topping it as you cook than adding too much water and you end up with a very soft rice. So as soon as it's boiling, pour in the parboiled rice. Like I said earlier, there's nothing wrong with you tasting your food as you keep cooking. You might want to taste before adding the rice, or you taste after adding the rice for more seasoning cubes or extra salt. It's very paramount that you taste your food. Even if you are fasting, you can ask anybody in the house to taste for you. Sometimes I cook when I'm fasting and I don't taste my food because I've been in this business for years. So I actually know what and what to do. But if you are a beginner, kindly ensure someone tastes your food for you. It's very, very important. Once it's 80% ready, add some butter and minced vegetables. But if you do not have minced vegetables, fine, but you have to use butter to give your jollof rice an extra shine. Butter also gives your jollof rice a unique taste. Cover with a foil paper and continue cooking. This is where you actually achieve that smokiness in your jollof rice. You might want to cook for extra minutes or until you perceive that it's burning. Then you just stir with your ladle. Ensure you thoroughly turn the jollof rice. And if you feel that you still need some extra smokiness, cover and continue cooking. Once the foil paper is there, it's going to help you achieve that smokiness because it's trapping all the heat. Nothing is escaping. So you see, this non-stick pot is not a proper pot to use for jollof rice because once it gets burning, it starts burning rather, and you are turning it, the burnt part will just keep coming up. So I think using a stainless pot is better for your jollof rice because once it's burning and you're turning it, everything sticks to the bottom of the pot. So after cooking, I had this cucumber. You can use any fruit of your choice. I'm using cucumber with rice. Oh, very delicious. So I just chopped it in cube sizes. I actually removed the skin and the seeds. They are just too hard for me. I don't want anything stressing me chewing. I will now be chewing two for a very long time. So when I have this kind of big cucumbers, I like peeling the skin and removing the seeds. Jollof rice and cucumber combo, delicious. You need to try it if you haven't. Don't forget, plating your food is an important part of cooking also. You want to present your food in a beautiful and pleasant way. So feel free to experiment with any design of your choice. Thank you for staying with me till this point. If you haven't subscribed, kindly do so, like, comment, and share this video. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.